Kalindra Faria will be making her debut this Saturday after all. The 31-year-old Brazilian meets Romero Borella in a women's flyweight bout at UFC 216 on Saturday at the T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas, Nevada, sources confirmed with MMA Fighting's Guilherme Cruz and Ariel Helwani. Borella steps in on short notice for Andrea Lee, who was removed from a reported bout with Faria after it was revealed that Lee would need to undergo 6 additional months of testing under the USADA before being eligible to compete in the UFC due to her previously having tested positive for the use of a diuretic in March 2016. The Faria-Borella bout will take place on the main card of UFC 216. Faria makes her UFC debut with an 18-51 record, which includes losses to strawweight standouts Karolina Kowalkiewicz and Jessica Aguilar. She has won her last 3 fights, most recently defeating veteran Karina Dam by unanimous decision at Titan FC 41. Borella is undefeated in her past 5 contests excluding one no contest, and she defeated Milana Dudiva by split decision in the main event of Invicto FC 24 this past July. The 31-year-old Italian has a professional record of 114-1 North Carolina.